Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should open the settings application and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see that we got notification, ringtone and alarm panels. We can change them if you want just by click here. So also we can change here the volume panels, the volume of our media, ringtones and alarms by this way. And also here we got the sound assistant. We can change it just by activate and turn on or turn off all of these switchers here. Here we got also silent mode switcher. Just to turn on the silent mode, click once on the switcher. To turn it off, click on the switcher again. Also we can silence media in silent mode here. You can set here also don't disturb. You can here set the start time, the end time of the don't disturb, the vibration settings here. Just to activate or turn on vibration by the same way, click on the switchers. Also we can here disable haptic feedbacks, the level to increase or decrease by this way. Here also we got the additional settings, and just to turn on or turn off all of these options by the same way, click once on each of switchers. We can here activate or turn off the dial buttons, the tap sounds, the device lock sounds, the screenshots, sounds uninstalling, deleting items sounds, the charging sounds and the device startup sounds. So that's it. That's all of the settings of our Xiaomi 12. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.